Hello. Oh, hi. Come on in. This is the Mighty Toad recording studio where I'm recording the Mr. Simon new album. Woo-hoo! Come on up the stairs. Gotta go through some doors. Through this door. Yes. It's gonna get dark. It's gonna get dark. Woo! And we've got some spare instruments around here, but this is the main room. There's two doors. Oh, watch your step as you come on in. Yes. And this is where all the magic happens. Come on in. Woohoo! We've got guitars. We've got the drums over here. Woo! We've got organs, we've got pianos, all my ukuleles are sitting at this Pinky. Say hello, Pinky.
Hi, Pinky.
and through these doors, I want to introduce you to our engineer and producer. This is Chris Gilroy. Say hi to everybody.
Hello. Welcome.
He's pressing the record button and telling me what sounds good and what doesn't sound good. And yeah, this is where we're going to record. So we're going to hit the train song now. I'm going to re-record the train song. You guys know the train song, so I'm going to give it another go. So let's go in there and I'm going to whack on some headphones and pick up a guitar. Open that door up. Now, Mr. Koala's around here somewhere. Have you seen him? Have you seen him around? Oh, there he is. Hi. Oh. Hi, everybody. Hi, Mr. Koala. Have you been sleeping? A lot. Good. Well, I'll tell you what. You come and sit here and you watch me and you tell me if I'm sounding good, okay? Okay, so I've got this guitar. I'm going to put it on with my rainbow strap, my trusty rainbow strap. All right. And then here's my pick. And I'm going to stand in front of these microphones. There's a train, it's coming. It's going to take us to the... Where are we going to go? The park? Let's go to the park. There's a train. Choo-choo. Right. Get on the train. Everybody on the train. Get on the train. Everybody on the train. Right. And that's how it's going to go. Did we get that, Chris? Did you record that? Yes, we got that right. And we're going to do it again. From the top, Mr. Simon. Okay, rolling.